So hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. And yes, you read the title correctly. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to start forex trading from scratch with no money at all. Although you may think this title is clickbait, but when you're done watching this video, you're going to believe that yes, you can actually start forex trading without any money at all. Before we continue guys, I just want to say thank you for all the support in my previous video. At the time of uploading that video, we are at 980 subscribers, but currently at the point of recording this video now, we currently have 990 subscribers. So we're able to gain 10 new subscribers for my last video. I really appreciate you guys that newly joined and subscribed to my channel. I hope you enjoy my future videos moving forward. Lastly, if you need of gaining knowledge from today's video or it was helpful to you in any way possible, don't forget, please guys, I need likes, because if you don't like the video is not going to be shown to others in the algorithm. The algorithm is not going to push the video. So I really need you guys to like this video. And if I'm assuring you guys that if you can get up to 1,000 likes on this video, I'll be creating a free Telegram channel for uploading of signals. I'll be uploading my signals for free on Telegram. With all that said, let's get straight into the video. So starting forex from scratch, the first thing that should come to mind is where to learn from. So the place I would be recommending first for you to learn from is my channel. In my channel, I currently have a playlist created with a list of videos that I uploaded, and in this playlist consists of videos like the basic things you need to know about forex trading, the forex tools that you need as a beginner, then how to analyze the forex market, how to identify forex trends, supply and demand, and things like that. I also plan on adding more videos in the future to this playlist. So this playlist will be a sure and easy way for you to learn forex without any stress or any hassle or any form of payment, because I do everything here for free on YouTube. Also, when watching videos in that playlist, if you have any questions that you would like to ask, ensure you leave them in the comments of that particular video, and I'll be answering every single comment that you have. So whatever you need to know about forex, leave it in any of the videos you are watching in the playlist, and I'll be answering any and all questions in the comment section. The next place now that I believe that you can learn forex for free on anything you need to know is babypips.com. Babypips.com has a program called the School of Pipsology. In this school, it is ranked from preschool to overgraduate. So there is preschool, there is undergraduate, there are different sections, there are different classes, and each of those sections and each of those levels, each of those classes contains a list of courses, a list of videos, a bunch of videos you can watch, a bunch of articles you can read, a bunch of materials you can check out, beginning from preschool all the way to graduation. When I started learning forex, I actually used babypips.com School of Pipsology to advance my knowledge on all the things I need to know on forex, because they will actually tell you about the fundamental part, the news part, whatever you need to know, how risk management works, what pair works. They will tell you about trading sessions, they will tell you about time to trade, how to analyze trades. There are actually a lot of things in Baby Pips School of Pipsology, so ensure you go check it out. I'll be leaving the link down in the description for you to guys check it out for free. Now, the third place I'm going to show you guys that you can learn forex for 100% free is Top Tier Academy. Top Tier is actually a proprietary firm, that is a prop firm that offers accounts to people to trade. You pay a little amount and they give you an account to trade for them. But they also have an academy, Top Tier Academy. In this Top Tier Academy, you go through a series of classes and series of stages, just like Baby Pips School of Pipsology. You go through a series of classes, a series of stages, which each class and each course containing multiple videos for you guys to learn from. It's just about the fundamentals of forex, just about how news event works, just about risk management, just about pips count, whatever you need to know. You can also learn it in Top Tier Academy. Just like it's more like an easier and simplified versions of Baby Pips School of Pipsology. So if you guys want to go check that out, it's 100% free. I'll be dropping the link in the description as always. You guys will learn forex there. Whatever you guys need to know about forex, it's in that academy and it's listed out in one of those courses, all for free. I'll be dropping the link down there in the description. Ensure you go check that out. Now, the final places where I would recommend you guys to learn forex for free from is actually here on YouTube. There are other YouTubers that I personally myself watched when I started forex from scratch. When I was a beginner in forex trading, there are some YouTubers I watched. So I'll be listing those YouTuber links in the description of this video. So ensure you go check out those YouTubers, because I think they were one of the key factors that actually helped me pick up forex faster than I should. After you're done learning or during the process of learning, you will need an account to trade forex on. You need an account to trade forex with. So in this section now, I'm talking about where you can get free accounts or how you can get free capitals to trade forex accounts. The first and one of the most easiest place to actually get free capital to trade forex with is through prop firm competitions. Various prop firms or proprietary firms, they host competition every month, and at the end of this competition they reward a number of people with prop firm accounts. These are accounts that you can trade with on the prop firm, that when you pass the phases and the stages, they're going to reward you with a live account to trade with. So a lot of prop firm actually offers these prop firm competitions that I'm talking about, and I'll be listing them in the description. I'll also be showing a few on the screen right now. So the current prop firms, I believe that their competitions are actually very legit and very nice. We have prop firms like Funded Next. I personally use them myself. Then we also have Rebels Funding, and I'll be listing a few of them on the screen right now. I'll be showing you guys them, the videos of them. You can see that you can just go there, create an account very easily with your email address, and then register for their competitions, because they host their competitions every month. The second place now where you can actually get free capital to trade forex with is a no deposit bonus forex account. Different brokers actually offer these services. There is no deposit, you don't need deposits. You just have to create a forex account with the broker and verify the forex account, and they're going to give you a bonus that you can trade with. Just note that this bonus, you cannot withdraw this bonus immediately. You have to meet certain criteria, and then once you have met up with those criteria, they will allow you to be able to withdraw your funds after verification is complete. The third and final way in which you can get free capital or free account to trade forex with is by crypto airdrops. I don't know where you stay, but currently in Nigeria, crypto airdrop is trending. It's really trending. All you need to do is perform some tasks on Telegram, and you are being awarded some tokens. Then before the date of launch, they allow you to withdraw these tokens to your various wallets, and on the day of launch, these tokens are being awarded values that you can withdraw and trade using P2P. Due to the success in crypto airdrop projects like Dogs and Cactizen, crypto airdrops have become an easy and free way for individuals to get free capital to trade the forex markets with. I'll be listing a few of these airdrops. The links will be in the description. Ensure you go follow up the airdrops, perform the daily tasks, the daily activities, so that you are being awarded tokens. And on the day of the launch, these tokens can be converted into real money. Now that will be the end of today's video. If you ended up gaining valuable knowledge from today's video, don't forget to hit the like button or subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon, turn on post notifications so that you can be notified whenever I upload future videos. Guys, I'm very close to 1,000 subscribers. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel, share this video to others that you think is going to help, because this is literally how to start forex trading for free. With all I've said in this video, you're not going to pay a single dime or a single dollar in order to start or do any of these things I've mentioned in this video. Remember guys, the links of everything I talked about in this video is in the description. Ensure you check out what section you're interested in, what thing you want to start, whatever you want to do, check them out in the description. The links are all there listed out for you guys. Please subscribe to the channel. We are very close to 1,000 subscribers. I'll appreciate if you can hit 1,000 subscribers with this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Do have a lovely, a safe and an amazing day. Goodbye everybody.